JD 26 here to do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got the Alpha Centauri alien spaceship all done. And I want to show you the inside. Here's the inside of the compartment. Okay, here's the alien. The alien is done in a wash of glow-in-the-dark paint. And I'm going to put him all inside. I'll show you that. Here he's all done. And he's in his spaceship, taking a flight to another world. And the colors we used are gold, silver, green, and red, black, yellow, blue, and glow in the dark for the body of the alien. He will glow in the dark a little bit. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video just to show the results. The other kit, I'm going to probably try to get the lighting kit for it and set that up, but right now it's on back order, so you can't get the kit. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and please rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up. See you next time.